Hey guys, we're at Smoky Mountain Knife Works and it's Jeep Invasion Weekend, and we're going to see how much people know about their Jeeps and their knives. We got Kiara and Trevor here with us, Jeff, Brittany, and Drago. Jeff and Denise and their awesome Jeep right there.
Dwayne King.
Vera King.
Robert.
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 Chris.
I'm sorry. Jeremy, Shelby, and Marley. I found Diana, who's the one that controls all the chaos around here. So we decided to have a little bit of fun because you have a Jeep of your own, don't you?
I do.
The Jeep Willys MB was developed for the military use in the 40s. What famous American knife brand known for its military use of knives was also founded in that decade?
I don't know that one.
Don't know that one?
Case.
K-bar.
That's right. The CJ5 was introduced in '54. In that same decade, which iconic knife, known for its multi-tool use features, began to gain popularity in the U.S.?
Swiss Army.
Yeah. I don't know these.
That's all right.
Leatherman.
The Jeep Wagoneer was launched in '63 as a luxury SUV. What knife style, characterized by its large blade and often used for hunting, became popular during this decade?
Anything about knobs.
Yeah, I know exactly what it is, but the name escapes me right now.
Jim came up with it.
Jim Bowie.
Daniel Boone knife.
That Jim Bowie is what we're going for, but we'll take that.
I want to say Bowie, but
You are correct. 72, the Jeep CJ5 and CJ6 models were well known. What type of knife design for tactical use was popularized in the 70s?
That would be like a commando style.
I'll take that because it was the tactical folder. There you go.
Swiss Army knife.
The Jeep Cherokee debuted in '84, not that long ago, no matter what somebody says. During that same decade, which knife brand introduced the multi-tool and changed everything around in the American market for it?
Leatherman. Gerber.
There we go, one already.
My baby food name I know, Gerber.
That's it.
Gerber.
Gerber, there we go. There we go.
Gerber. Gerber.
Gerber.
The Jeep Wrangler was introduced in 1986, but it gained immense popularity in the 90s. In this decade, which famous knife brand released the Endura?
Phone a friend on that one. That one escaped.
Yeah, Spyderco.
There we go. So 2.
Spyderco.
There we go.
That one I don't.
Spyderco.
The Jeep Delivery was launched in 2001, aimed at a more family-oriented market. In that same decade, which innovative knife design, known for its assisted opening mechanisms, was introduced?
Ken Onion.
That was Kershaw, and Ken Onion designed them. He did the Leak, he did the Onion, he did the Scallion, and the Chive. The Jeep Renegade was introduced in 2014 as a compact SUV. In that same year, which knife company released the popular Bug Out?
Don't go back to Benchmade.
I don't know. Spyderco.
All I can think of is Blue Ridge.
What brand is that? Benchmade. There we go.
Don't know that one.
Everybody, thank you for Jeep Invasion from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. We thank all of y'all. Hit us up on smkw.com and all the socials as well.